In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add invoices in accounting. If you're new to accounting or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will take you from a blank screen to a professional invoice ready to save or send. We'll keep it simple and clear so you know exactly what each step does and why it matters. Start on your dashboard. From here, head to the sales section and choose Invoices. This is your central hub for everything invoice related. You can see what's pending, what's been sent, and create new ones. To begin a fresh invoice, click New Invoice. This opens a clean form where you'll enter the essential details. First, choose the customer. If the customer already exists in your records, select them from the list. If not, add a new customer so their information is stored for future use. Getting this right saves time later and ensures your invoice reaches the right person. Next, set the invoice date and number. The date marks when the invoice is created, which helps with tracking and reporting. The invoice number identifies this document uniquely. Accounting can automate numbering, so you don't have to keep a separate log. If a number is already suggested, you can keep it or adjust it to match your own format. Now add your items. Click Add an Item to include each product or service you're billing for. Enter a clear name, a short description that clarifies what was delivered, the quantity, and the price. Descriptions are helpful if your customer needs context later, and accurate quantities and prices ensure your totals reflect exactly what's due. You can add as many items as you need, and you can edit or remove them before finalizing. As you type, the totals will calculate automatically. This instant calculation helps you see the running total without manual math. If you spot anything that looks off, it's usually a sign to double check an item's quantity or price. When everything looks good, decide how you want to proceed. Click Save to keep the invoice as a draft. This is ideal if you want to review details later or wait for internal approval before sending. If you're ready for the customer to receive it, choose to send it directly. Sending ensures the invoice is delivered promptly and starts the clock for your customer to review and pay. That's it. By navigating to Sales, creating a new invoice, entering your customer and item details, reviewing the automatic totals, and choosing to save or send, you'll have a clean, professional invoice in minutes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.